Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarah Khalid and I am running the blog The Butterfingers in Dubai and Pakistan, which is why I'm so excited to be part of 10 Ways to Opa It challenge. In this challenge, you guys will be getting 10 amazing recipes to replicate, and every recipe that is best replicated will have one lucky winner winning an amazing special prize. So let's get down to my recipe. So my recipe for today is going to be poutine with mushroom, and I'm going to be using the orange packet of Opa fries, which are the chunky fries. So what basically is poutine? Poutine is essentially fries, cheese and gravy, और इस gravy के अंदर हम addition कर रहे हैं mushrooms का. So let's get started. So guys, for the topping and the gravy, you're gonna need 5 to 7 ounces of the cheddar cheese, depending on your liking, how much you like it, and 1 chopped onion, finely chopped, half a can of sliced mushrooms, a pinch of salt, actually depending on your taste, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of Worcester sauce, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Here I have 2 cups of chicken stock. You can also use homemade stock. I've made it with chicken powder. You could use chicken cubes or anything you like, really. I'm using it for convenience. And here I have pepper that I will crush. There we have it, the poutine with mushrooms with Opa chunky fries. And be sure you try this recipe at home because the smell is amazing, the taste is amazing, and you're gonna thank me. And who knows, you could be the lucky winner.